It's important to sketch out the key events that transpired during CEO Sam Altman's 4 days in exile before diving into the fascinating story of OpenAI's internal turmoil. After that, we will delve into what exactly took place at OpenAI. So, let's start to explore. Imagine this. A group of enthusiast staff researchers wrote a letter to the board of directors, motivated by a common concern for the future of humanity. The researchers alerted us to a potentially dangerous breakthrough in artificial intelligence that could endanger our own existence in a classified document. Two people with knowledge of the case clarified the seriousness of the situation by shedding light on this previously undisclosed letter. An AI algorithm, a silent protagonist in the story of generative AI, was at the center of this drama while it was developing. With its hidden potential, this algorithm became a major factor in the circumstances that ultimately resulted in Altman's interim resignation as OpenAI CEO. As internal tensions increased, the organization, known for its innovative work in artificial intelligence, found itself at a crossroad. Altman had to make a board decision that would change OpenAI's course, according to the two people with knowledge of the situation. The letter and the unidentified AI program were a significant turning moment. The board was debating the serious ramification of the researchers' cautions, and the future of OpenAI was at jeopardy. The decision to banish Altman was reversed when, in an unexpected turn of events, he made a victorious comeback later in life. Within the company, there were conflicting reactions in this unexpected turn of events. Before Altman returned, a startling 700 workers had threatened to quit in support of the boss who had been removed. The threat of a mass evacuation hung heavy, making the atmosphere in OpenAI's hallways nervous. The drama was made more complex by the possibility that a sizable percentage of the personnel will switch to support Microsoft in unison. The idea of faithfulness and devotion to a leader, despite internal conflict, demonstrated the deeply rooted dedication of OpenAI staff members to the forward-thinking path established by Altman. As the tale developed, it became clear that the combination of state-of-the-art AI research, internal power battles, and workforce's steadfast support had produced a narrative that was both engrossing and unprecedented. Through the interaction of corporate dynamics, technology developments, and human emotion, OpenAI's path during this turbulent time was complexly portrayed. With Altman's return, the internal conflict that had engulfed OpenAI was resolved. The company, which was renowned for pushing the limits of AI innovation, learned from experience and felt more inspired than ever. Within the walls of OpenAI, a delicate dance between the potential dangers of advanced AI and the tenacity of human collaboration took place, leaving a lasting impression in the history of the organization. The board has several concerns, and the letter turned out to be the key, one that finally resulted in Altman's termination. One major concern was the apparent haste in which technological innovations were commercialized, often without a thorough understanding of the possible consequences. Sadly, the letter's precise content is still unknown because it was not made available for inspection. The persons in charge of writing the letter chose to remain silent and did not answer inquiries for comments. The situation is made more mysterious by this quiet, which leaves observers to conjectures about the specific of the issues raised in the letter. The writer's lack of direct communication with the audience creates a sense of mystery as viewers try to figure out what particular campaigns led to Altman's resignation. Following the event that transpired, OpenAI gained attention due to the disclosure of the project named Q, and the presence of the previously described letter. Although the company declined to provide specific remarks on the subject, an internal memo that was sent among employees provided insights into the circumstances. An experienced executive at OpenAI named Mira Murati took the lead in addressing certain narratives in the media. But the message stayed impartial and avoided explicitly confirming the veracity of these accounts. An instance of openness within the company was indicated by the internal communications acknowledgement of the Q project and the letter's existence. Though it lacked specific, this acknowledgement showed OpenAI's dedication to keeping its employees updated on noteworthy advancements. OpenAI took the measured approach by purposely refraining from commenting on the veracity of media claims, which may have been an indication of their intention to manage the problem discreetly. OpenAI addressed this issue internally in response to the event that were transpiring. The company addressed this issue internally, making sure that the staff members were informed of the story that were going around, even if it declines to speak to the problem openly. In light of external scrutiny, OpenAI prioritized keeping its workers informed and cultivating a sense of unity and common understanding, which is reflected to the internal communication approach. In the midst of these developments, Mira Murati emerges as a central figure in conveying information to the staff. Her role is decimating details about the project, and the letter underscored the importance of internal communication channels during the time of organizational challenge. The decision to entrust a long-time executive with this communication task reinforced the significance of experience of familiarity within the OpenAI leadership. There's a lot of excitement on OpenAI about Q because some people think it could be a big step forward in the research of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. The goal of AGI, according to OpenAI, is to develop autonomous systems that perform better than people in a variety of economically significant jobs. With the use of large computational resource, Q proved its ability by solving particular mathematical puzzles. Due to the sensitive nature of the subject, the specifics were kept under wraps, but the anonymous source did allude the Q's powers at solving mathematical puzzle. What's really interesting is that the model demonstrates an impressive ability to ace tasks in mathematics, even if it's currently functioning at the level of elementary school children. Finding out that Q not only functioned well, but also filled the researchers with hope for its future potential is fascinating. The model's cognitive abilities are demonstrated by its ability to solve arithmetic problems, even at the elementary school level. The OpenAI team is now optimistic that Q will play a significant role in the advancement of AGI as a result of this breakthrough. The fact that Q performed exceptionally well on challenges similar to those found in elementary school mathematics may not seem significant, yet it represents a significant advancement. For the researchers, it's like seeing an early spark of a future powerhouse, giving them hope that they could be onto something revolutionary. The positive energy surrounding Q is derived from both its past accomplishment and its expectations for the future. There's an additional layer of excitement and OpenAI stemming from the idea that this model might signal a breakthrough in the search of artificial general intelligence. Q's ongoing evolution piques interest at the plethora of potential ways it may influence the direction artificial intelligence takes in the future. The path to AGI is undoubtedly difficult, but Q appears to be heading the right direction. The scientists and enthusiasts are looking forward to the next developments in this fascinating story. Within the dynamic fields of artificial intelligence research, mathematics has been recognized as a critical frontier. At the moment, generative AI uses statistical predictions for the following words to demonstrate expertise in activities like writing and language translation. It's noteworthy that answers to the same question can differ greatly, underscoring how difficult it is to interpret a language. The real advancement, nevertheless, comes from grasping mathematical processes for which there is only one right solution. This accomplishment represents a significant improvement in AI's capacity for reasoning, comparable to human intellect. Proficiency in mathematics requires a break from the task-specific flexibility of language. Although artificial intelligence is good at anticipating and producing a variety of language outputs, mathematics requires accuracy with a single right answer. Exciting opportunities arise from this move towards clear-cut correctness, especially in the context of cutting-edge scientific research applications. The potential of AI revolutionize is highlighted by the ability to learn, comprehend, and generalize beyond task-specific limitations. In a contrast to calculators that can only solve certain tasks, AGI has the potential to adapt to a wide range of problems. Scientists hope to revolutionize scientists' discoveries by applying AGI's sophisticated reasoning powers to solve challenging scientific issues. There are still worries in the AI research community regarding the security of developing technology. The letter to the board emphasizes the significance of addressing possible hazards connected with the capabilities of AI, even though it does not specifically address safety concerns. A deliberate attempt to optimize current AI models is indicated by the convergence of knowledge in the AI scientist team, which was created by merging the Code Gen and Math Gen teams. The Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Conference highlighted the significant influence of opening up new vistas in research and development while also hinting at significant advancement in AI technology. Even with Altman's major contribution, OpenAI's future remains uncertain in light of the board's recent decision to split. The subject of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, and its dynamic development, which emphasizes mathematical prowess, beckons researchers to strike a delicate balance between safety and creativity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching our content, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below.